The experience this week at bootcamp was very challenging. I'm completely out of my comfort zone, but also I'm getting better. I know if you are willing to make the effort and put all the hours it needs, it's good. But most important is to make the preparation before the course, and then it works. It works well. I definitely agree with this motto that data science for everyone, because it's if you are willing to put the hands on and put some effort on that, it's possible. Looking forward to go back to Brazil and start to do something with all this information and all this knowledge that developed here. This bootcamp, I believe it's good for someone that's trying to change the career, someone trying to get better in what he does. It depends on your focus, and you will find what to do with this knowledge. I definitely would recommend very well this bootcamp. It's a nice experience for anyone that's trying to learn a lot and very quickly. This is the place.